Hey everybody, sorry I haven't done anything in a while. Just been crazy busy. Things are changing. Just a quick look around my shop. I've been doing some updating. The mill's got a little bit of use, not much lately. I'm actually thinking about selling my manual lathe. I did pick up a new welder. I still need to get some argon. I've got a TIG project coming up. I still got to work on my CNC lathe. And here's the big project. We've got 4 wings. I only need 2, but I got 4. It's a package deal because I'm doing a thing. I built these tables. These cross pieces interface with my sawhorses there. And this is what this is for. I'm building an airplane. Obviously, have wings. There's what she's going to look like. It's a Piper style by Wag A Bond, Wag Aero. They call it the Wag A Bond. It's based off the Vagabond platform. There's the specs of what can possibly be achieved. Random tips. Here's the table. Got to do a lot of jigging up, tubing, welding. Obviously I don't have to do that one because I have wings. But I do have some of them need work, like this one. It's got corrosion. That's no bueno. The 2 in the middle are actually the best looking ones, but I do have some extra parts I can take off of here. Of course, I'm obviously going to go through and replace all the cabling and whatnot. Just freshen them up, making them, well, basically brand new. But that's what I got going on. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to get this built up here, get it laid out, and get some tubing and some gas, and I'll be welding here soon. And yeah, I'll film it and bring y'all along too. I am going to be using the mill some to make some parts because, well, might as well. I have one, so yeah, fun. Thanks for joining me, guys. Yeah, that's it. I got to clean up, and it's freaking cold right now. So yeah, anyway, that's all I got for now, guys. I appreciate it. Sorry, man. Into everything right now. Right now it's freezing cold. I got parts to make. I'll have more for y'all later. Thanks. Bye.